Let me see.
Let's see.
Who is it? Is it yours or is it mine? Who is it?
It's his. To Adam.
Yeah, the clip open.
Oh my God! That's for me! My toy! I can buy my toys.
Wow!
You're gonna take it with you. Yeah, go ahead.
You like it?
Oh my God! No one! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's so nice.
Who bought you that one? Grandma.
Grandma, thank you so much.
Here, come give Grandma a kiss.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
Oh my God! My backpack!
The big backpack.
Oh my God.
Who is that?
That's cool.
You know what it is? Iron
Iron
Man.
Man! This is me!
What is that?
This
What's
is
your
the Batman! This is my God! Look!
Nice.
Grandma bought it for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh! He's killing me right now.
So I put Yalla, hold on. Hold on.
This is nothing.
Look, what is that? The green.
Wow.
Chocolate.
Oh my God.
One more. Oh my God, fishy! It's for the garbage.
It's not the garbage.
Look.
This huh? Let's see what it is. Yes! Oh, the toy. A favorite toy.
Take this. What? What is that?
This is rolling.
Bowling.
Bowling.
Not rolling, it's bowling.
This is rolling. See what it is. Oh my God. What is that?
Keep opening, keep going.
That's cool.
What is it?
No.
Come from the other side, you retard. Come from the other side and open the rest. The other side, hello. You can't reach it. Put it down. Turn, go to the other side. Yeah, see, that makes sense.
See what it is. Let's see what it is.
Let's see what it is. What is that?
Oh my God. A big toilet train. Big toilet train. Oh my God.
And
Are you okay?
No. It's a toilet train.
Yes, it's for you, Adam, to play.
Yeah, play. Oh, this is not present.